Hello and welcome to the first video of Munchkin's Code. We are an organization of teenagers who love to code and want to do it with the rest of our lives, who are going to be making videos, making coding a little bit simpler and easier for others to understand and love just the same as us. We're going to dive into some basic terminology for today's video. Pretty simple stuff, your beginner type things. So, IDE, what the heck is that? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it's basically the program that you install on your PC to write your code. For our tutorials specifically, and tutorials in the future of teaching you how to write Python, JavaScript, HTML, all that sort of stuff, we're going to be using a program called Atom, if you want to get a head start and download that on your computer. CLI, Command Line Interface. It's the most basic form of the file button on your computer. It processes commands from a computer program into the form of lines of text. Program, coded instructions for the performance of a task. You code and something does a task, basically. Code, the language you use to tell your computer to do something. This is an example of code. Programming language, what defines how you write code. Examples of this are Python, JavaScript, and HTML. I put Python twice, that's my favorite way to code. HTML is what you use to build websites. It's a very, very informative and great language to use. Conditions, the basic checks to see if something is true or false. Like if I said that if I inputted it into my PC through a program like Atom, if I inputted 1 plus 1 equals 2, the computer would recognize that 1 plus 1 equals 2 and move on with its life. Variables are containers of information that are used to store information for later in the program, and we're going to get into the types of variables next. Types of variables. Strings. Strings are a container for text that are usually enclosed in little quotes. An example of a string is the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It's the basic, you've probably seen this 100 times before. It's the basic example for strings. Int. You might recognize this if you take math classes. Int is short for integers, which is a container for whole numbers, because we all learned that in math class, an integer is any negative or positive whole number. You cannot input decimals into this and call it an int. Examples of this are 1, 58, and negative 292. Floats and doubles. They are containers for storing numbers with decimals in them. So some examples of this are negative 102.192 and 52.19 and 68.9192. Booleans. Booleans are containers for true or false values. Some examples of this are what I already mentioned previous. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That is a true value. But if I said that 1 plus 3 equals 2, that would be incorrect and it would be a false value. List. A variable containing multiple containers of the same type of thing, which are normally stored inside of brackets. Some examples of this. You might recognize the first one. This is a list of numbers that have decimals within them. The next list is a list of candy. Now, the computer does not recognize candy as candy because it doesn't know what candy is. I feel bad for the poor chap. But this is just a list of candy, which we know as candy, but the computer doesn't recognize as candy. So you have to tell the computer that this is candy. It is identified as the variable of candy. And true, false, true, false, true, false. And that is it for our first video on the basics of computer terminology and coding terminology. I am looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes.